How to fix game mode exception not handled Windows 11 or 10. Getting the dreaded game mode exception not handled blue screen on Windows 11 or 10, let's fix it step by step. So step 1, update or reinstall your drivers, especially network, GPU, and USB drivers. So go ahead and click on WinX on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here. And then you'll be able to find all of the drivers that you have on your device. So go ahead and select the drivers that you need to update, right click on it and select update driver. The second thing you can do is to run memory diagnostic. So stop to run Windows memory diagnostic to check for faulty RAM. So step 3 is to disable fast startup to prevent driver conflicts. So to be able to disable fast startup, you need to go ahead and open your task manager, Control Shift Escape. And then on Task Manager, you'll find your fast startup applications in here. So go ahead and disable that. Fourth is to repair system files. So step 4, repair corrupted system files using SFC and DISM command. So go ahead and open your command prompt. And then on the command prompt, go ahead and enter the SFC scan and clear DISM commands. And lastly is to reset BIOS or UEFI. So reset BIOS or UEFI settings if you've overclocked your system. And that's how to fix game mode exception not handled BSOD in Windows 10 and 11.